So this is one test that physios use to figure out if you have torn your bicep or if you've injured the bicep muscle.
So what we're going to do is called an isometric contraction. So what this is we put you in a specific position, and from that position we get you to tense against us. The reason we use this is it isolates contractile tissue, which is your muscles and your tendons. This way we can actually differentiate if the pain is coming from your muscle or if it's coming from something else, such as like your nerve or your joints. So elbows at about 90 degrees. This is mid-range of motion, very safe. What we're gonna do is an isometric elbow flexion. So this is like a bicep curl. You're gonna use your other arm to resist this movement. And the way to differentiate if it is a bicep or not is you compare your symptoms palm up compared to palm down. So your bicep inserts in a specific way that it results in supination. If palm up gives you pain, palm down doesn't give you pain, it might be a bicep injury. A good way to rehab this is to do the same thing. The way we test it is also the same way we treat it. Doing isometric contractions, isometric holds for sets and reps is a good way to strengthen the muscle and the tendon, and to also decrease the excitability of those nerves, resulting in less pain. So the way I would recommend doing this is as part of your warm-up if you're going to train, holding this for about 30 seconds without pain, as much force as you can handle, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. And then after about 5 sets, you'll find that the pain will decrease and you can get back into your training.